Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and removing active protections. First, back up your Mac using Time Machine or ensure important files are in iCloud. This protects data if something goes wrong. Next, open System Settings and go to Apple ID to turn off Find My Mac because the device must be disassociated. Then sign out of iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and deauthorize the Mac in Music or TV. Once done, you can proceed to remove the Apple ID from the machine. Now you remove the account itself. In System Settings, select Apple ID and tap Sign Out or Manage the Account Overview. This begins the disassociation process. Make a conscious choice whether to keep a local copy of contacts, calendars, and Safari data. Keeping them preserves data on this Mac, deleting them removes it immediately. You will be prompted for your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock and complete sign-out. After authentication, wait for the Mac to finish removing iCloud data. Finish by rebooting and confirming the Apple ID is gone in System Settings. If you plan to hand off the Mac, optionally erase Mac OS and reinstall using recovery mode so the next user can set it up. If activation lock or the Apple ID persists, sign into Appleid. Apple. Com from any browser to remove the device from your account. This is necessary when you cannot access the Mac. If problems continue, contact Apple support with proof of purchase for removal assistance and explain what you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.